Looking for a natural way to fade dark spots and achieve an even skin tone? Say hello to the potato and yogurt anti-dark spot mask, a simple DIY remedy using just 2 common kitchen ingredients. Potatoes are packed with natural enzymes and vitamin C, which help lighten dark spots, reduce pigmentation, and give your skin a natural glow. Yogurt is full of lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells, while also moisturizing and soothing the skin. To make this mask, finely grate a potato and mix 2 tablespoons of the grated potato with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Apply evenly to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing your face with lukewarm water. Always moisturize your face after using this mask using a moisturizer. With regular use, this mask helps fade scars, even out skin tone, and leave your skin soft and radiant. Keep the potato and yogurt mix in an airtight container. The mixture can last up to a week if kept in the fridge. Try this natural remedy today and let your skin shine. And let us know in the comment what video should we make next. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips.